Whether or not you're studying to be a doctor, a teacher, a designer, an engineer, or even a politician, energy is something you must consider. So that is why we here at AABE NYU decided to bring an energy challenge to our campus. This energy challenge is a campus-wide initiative designed to implement different solutions to energy problems of our day. And these solutions should reduce energy consumption here within our community and within New York City. Think of energy efficiency, renewable energy, and infrastructure and resources. Infrastructure and resources, for instance, can even deal with bike sharing and vehicle sharing. Energy efficiency also can deal with governance structures. So why not think about it?
When I think about sustainability, I think about the people and the lifestyles that will be impacted by the choices we make. So not just in your city or in your community, but around the world. What will happen and what's the ripple effect of the choices we make. Green Grants is really excited to support the Energy Challenge that's going to be hosted later on this fall. And as part of the challenge, we'll be having 2 prize pots, one for a big idea and one for a smaller idea, or a big, just as big, but maybe needs a little bit less in funding. And we are so excited to see what students and faculty and staff from across the university come up with for this challenge.
The AABE Challenge for NYU is a great chance for students of different disciplines to work together to help solve NYU's sustainability problems.
NYU believes in 2 principles: sustainability and innovation, and that's what this challenge does. It prepares students to come up with an innovative solution, all while harnessing their entrepreneurial skills, which I think is great for this university.
The Energy Challenge is a great exercise for people who are trying to get into this industry because it allows us to critically think about how we can change the system and break out of the mold of the past.
No, the NYU's AABE Energy Challenge is important because it allows main campus students and Brooklyn students to work together, also collaborating with students outside the school to find solutions to our energy problems.
AABE's Energy Challenge is very important to NYU because it allows students to be innovative, creative. It provides opportunities for them to learn. They can go and develop their own ideas, push forward with their initiatives, and all while creating energy projects that can help to save the planet.
Before we had the technology revolution, we had the industrial revolution. I think the next great step is in the energy revolution because we don't see energy as a privilege anymore, but a necessity. And I really want to be a vital part of that process.
From a child's toy to a dialysis machine in a hospital, reliable energy is critical. So that's why I think it's so important that, especially the people in our generation, we realize how fundamental it is that we train ourselves to be reliable and competent power engineers who can lead tomorrow into a cleaner and brighter day.
So energy is important to me because it allows me to combine 2 things that I find dear to me, which is electricity and buildings. Working at Connellton as an electrical engineering aide and being a civil engineering student at the School of Engineering, I see how important it is to make energy efficient buildings, and that's the problem I want to solve for the future. So collaboration is one very important aspect of producing and creating an efficient energy market, and we're here on site with Team Dura, who's building a net zero building. So what this means, they're building a building what is completely off the grid. And myself and the AABE student chapter have been working with them over the past few weeks to get the project up to running. Right now we're working with City Tech because of the Brooklyn Tech Triangle. We're trying to start a movement where everyone from different schools can work together for one united cause.
So why not think about it? Energy impacts all of us. We all deal with it in some way every day, one way or the other. So why not support AABE NYU Energy Challenge? What does energy mean to you?